In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use spreadsheets in Confluence, from simple built-in tables to advanced spreadsheet apps for calculations and reporting. To get started, open the Confluence page where you want to work and click the Edit button to enter editing mode. If you only need to organize information, insert a built-in table. Click the Insert menu and choose Table, or simply type Table and select Table from the list. A new table will be added to your page, and you can add or remove rows and columns as needed. This option is ideal for task lists, project tracking, contact lists, and other simple data. Enter your information directly into the table, then use the table controls to resize columns, reorder data, or format the table for better readability. Built-in tables are easy to edit and collaborate on, making them perfect for everyday documentation. If you need spreadsheet features such as formulas, calculations, charts, or reusable templates, you can install a spreadsheet app from the Atlassian marketplace, such as Element Spreadsheet. Once the app is installed, edit your page, type Elements Spreadsheet, and select the macro. You can create a new spreadsheet from scratch or choose one of the available templates. Advanced spreadsheet apps allow you to perform calculations, organize complex datasets, and collaborate with your team directly inside Confluence without switching to another application. When you're finished, click Publish to save your page and share your spreadsheet with your team. That's how to use spreadsheets in Confluence. Thanks for watching.